Hi, I'm Alexandra, one of the nutritionists at HealthifyMe. Today, I'm going to make you my healthier version of Nasi Goreng. Nasi Goreng is traditionally fried in a lot of oil, which means it's high in fat. My version is going to use brown rice, and we're going to use lots of vegetables as well, and we will toss it in the seasoning. For this version of the Nasi Goreng, we won't be frying the rice, but instead we'll be using cooled brown rice. We will then add in some mixed vegetables. Add in lots of vegetables because that is the important healthy part. We will also be adding in some green beans. And then this will be mixed with just a little bit of sesame oil, dark sesame oil, and soy sauce. And then you just toss it in the flavoring. So those were the steps for my healthier fried rice. And there you have it, a very simple to make dish.